Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Victoria Ajay of Victoria Ajay Beauty, and this is my space on YouTube where I share all things beauty, business, and from time to time I take you on my vlogs when I do my clients to show you how a freelance makeup artist works in the world. So, if this is your first time, hey. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back. I am a little bit different than I normally look because I already have my hair setting and I did not come to you with the final look because we're going to kind of unveil the final look together. Today is a special day. It is my sister-in-law's 31st birthday and she has planned a 70s themed disco era party. So anyone who knows me knows I do not like Halloween. I'm so happy November 1st is my holiday. Bring on the holidays. So with that being said, I love a theme. I love a chance to get glam. And just because I don't like Halloween and the scary stuff, I do love to get glammed. So my dress is a beautiful like green, kind of on the lighter side of green, like I guess it's called like a chartreuse, with gold kind of fleck metallic undertones in it. So it's very 70s, it's very disco, and I was really inspired by that gold, and I think gold looks good on my skin. I'm a gold girl. So I'm gonna do a full-on crazy glam gold eye a la 70s. So let's just jump right into it. And we're gonna start off with brows. I'm probably again gonna speed this up because the video will get way too long, but we're just gonna go for it. And then at the end, of course, I'm gonna show you the hair, the clothes, the full look, and we're going for everything tonight. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go, y'all. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. It is a very heavy eye Diana Ross. I'm feeling it. Let's go take out this hair, let's go put on this dress, and let's get ready. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I got my dress from Princess Polly, shoes from Amazon, and accessories or stuff I already had. And then I'll get close so you can see the makeup, how it finally came out. It came out way better than I thought it was. And then I just curled my hair like super tiny and like ratted it and put Got To Be spray on it so it can stay. And thank you guys for watching my Get Ready with me. Please put anything in the comments if you want to know any products. I put them all in there, but if you need to like know anything, you know, products or whatever wise, just hit me in the comments, and please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.